Hey folks, Dogface in the downstairs makerspace, otherwise known as the basement. Hey, look at this beauty that I scored. It's an old Blaupunkt stereo record player, shortwave radio from the late 50s, early 60s. I don't know the exact date. I'll be looking that up and put that info out later. Anyway, I am so excited about this because when I was a kid, this is what I listened to my music on. Yeah, this is from my mom and dad's house. They decided that they were going to downsize, so I'm like, I couldn't let that go. It's an old tube radio. It works if you plug it in. These old guys, the tubes, or excuse me, the capacitors go bad on them, so I'm going to go through this and just make it like it was new again as far as how it sounds. And what's exciting about this is that this is how people listen to music. And so I don't know if it's hi-fi, lo-fi, or medium-fi as compared to what audiophiles listen to today. But in the 60s, when people were listening to the Beatles and the Beach Boys and all those great bands of the 60s, this is what they were listening to it on. So I can hardly wait to get it going and getting it sounding good again. It's been in my parents' basement for, well, ever. It's dirty. It needs to be cleaned. So I'll be going through cleaning it, but you can see all the shortwave and all the different buttons. Not even really sure what they'll do. I don't remember. And then inside there's the record player with the record changer and a bunch of old records and things. I need to go through all of that. So anyway, this is a project that I am quite looking forward to doing. So I'm going to turn it around, and if we've got some time, let's take a peek inside the back. Okay, here's the back. And I've got external speakers. And here's the model for those of you playing along at home. And different antenna configurations. Cool. They say we take those screws off and see what's going on inside, huh? Well, there's the back off of that. Holy dust bunnies, Batman. Ooh, that's dusty. There's 50 years or more worth of dust in there. But look at this. It's got 6 speakers, some sort of a crossover network there, woofers on the side, mids and highs. That's not bad. That's not bad. There's a quick glance in there, and I see capacitor heaven. I'm going to have to figure out how to get all into that so we can get those guys replaced. And then we go up like this. There's the underside of the record changer. So I may just have to fire this guy up so we can hear what he sounds like. Okay, it's the next day, and we've done a little bit of research, and I haven't had a whole lot of luck finding any schematics or anything on this guy. And as I've looked at it a bit more, I'm like, you know, people complain about things not being fixable, modern things not being fixable. This is from about 1960-61, as near as I can Google it. So it's pushing 60 years old, not quite there yet. And yeah, this stuff's going to be fun to fix. The other thing I love about this is, check this out. Warning, an interlock is provided for your protection. That's a warning sign on, let's just call it a 60-year-old radio. And of course, I've defeated said interlock because I do want to play it one last time before I tear into it. I was going to play a record. Problem is, mechanism is not mechanicking. So I'm going to figure out what the story is on that and get that working. But in the meantime, we're going to turn on the FM radio. Now, they say you shouldn't do this It'll wear the tubes out, and if the capacitors are bad, which they almost assuredly are, this isn't a good thing to do. But I still got to do it. So I love this little tuning thing here, and I'm going to move across, so hopefully I don't get a bad mark from YouTube for content. I'm going to claim fair use on all of this because I don't know how you demonstrate a radio without
You might not even know what your blood type is, and that's fine.
That's all right.
Come and find out.
Sure. Here's the deal. Every donor today gets a $10
There you
Megaplex
go.
gift card and
People
a popcorn
talking.
voucher. So come on down
Hopefully
over till
that
5
won't
o'clock.
cause the DCMA
9786 South,
grief.
500 West,
Anyway.
ARUP Blood Services here.
That right there is old school cool. I don't care what you say. That thing is cool. I can hardly wait to get it working 100%. And I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share this. And till the next video, y'all have a nice day.